Hello students, today you will learn about carrying out mixed operations from the topic Order of Operations. Now, in order to solve problems involving mixed operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, we need to follow a rule called Demas rule. Here, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. That means when we have mixed operations involving addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, we will first carry out division, then multiplication, after that addition, and then subtraction. To understand this better, let's solve some questions. First, let's solve some questions from exercise 8. Question number 1. Find the value of each of the following. Number A, 31 minus 18 divided by 3. This expression involves subtraction and division. So using the rule Demas, we will first carry out division. That is, at first we will divide 18 by 3. When we divide 18 by 3, we get 6. So the expression becomes 31 minus 6. Now we have to subtract 6 from 31. And when we subtract 6 from 31, we get 25. So 31 minus 18 divided by 3 is equal to 25. Now let's solve question number E. 120 divided by 8 minus 6 into 2. This expression involves 3 different operations, that is division, subtraction, and multiplication. So using the Demas rule here, we will first carry out division. That is, at first we will divide 120 by 8. When we divide 120 by 8, we will get 15. Now that we have the operations subtraction and multiplication, using the Demas rule, we will first multiply 6 and 2. When we multiply 6 and 2, we will get 12. So the expression becomes 15 minus 12. Now we will subtract 12 from 15. And when we subtract 12 from 15, we get 3. So 120 divided by 8 minus 6 into 2 is equal to 3. Now let's solve question number F. 10 plus 24 divided by 6 plus 8 minus 9. This expression involves addition, division, and subtraction. So we will use the Demas rule here. If we use the Demas rule, we have to first divide because D is first. So we will first divide 24 by 6. When we divide 24 by 6, we get 4. So the expression becomes 10 plus 4 plus 8 minus 9. Now, if we look at the rule, multiplication comes after division. But here in this expression, we don't have any multiplication. So we will go to the next operation, that is addition. Because addition comes after multiplication. So we will add 10 and 4. When we add 10 and 4, we get 14. So the expression becomes 14 plus 8 minus 9. This expression also involves addition and subtraction. So according to the rule, we will do the addition first. That is, we will add 14 and 8. When we add 14 and 8, we get 22. So the expression is 22 minus 9. Now we will subtract 9 from 22. And when we subtract 9 from 22, we get 13. So 10 plus 24 divided by 6 plus 8 minus 9 is equal to 13. Now let us solve one question from practice 3. Question number 3. Find the value of number C, 200 minus 14 into 90 divided by 10. This expression involves subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, using the Demas rule, we will first carry out division. That is, we will first divide 90 by 10. When we divide 90 by 10, we get 9. So the expression becomes 200 minus 14 into 9. Now according to the Demas rule, multiplication should be carried out after division. And since in this expression we have subtraction and multiplication, so now we will carry out multiplication. When we multiply 14 by 9, we get 126. So the expression becomes 200 minus 126. Now we will subtract 126 from 200. And when we subtract 126 from 200, we get 74. So 200 minus 14 into 90 divided by 10 is equal to 74. That's all for today. Thank you.